the Cyberspoon. This is something I came up with when I decided to poke some fun at a certain polarizing truck design by envisioning everyday objects with a low polygon twist. Here's how I made it. I started by sculpting a volume in Fusion 360 using the extrude function and angled cuts. Once I had a shape I liked, I hollowed out the 3D model using the shell command. Then I modeled in a handle. I scaled and messed with the geometry until the removed volume equaled 1 tablespoon. In the manufacturing workspace, I designed some toolpaths to machine this model out of a block of wood. On my Shapeoko CNC router, I used those toolpaths to carve away at a chunk of walnut. I had to flip the walnut over in order to create both the inside and outside shape. With just a little bit of manual finishing to trim off the tabs holding my spoon in place, and an oil finish to add a light luster, I ended up with